Hi there, thank you so much for joining me today. This video is a collaboration with another YouTuber named Nona. Her channel is called My So-Called Life. I think Nona and I first got in touch whenever my channel was first starting, and we've been friends ever since, and she is such a sweetheart, just a genuinely good soul, a good person. She also has a YouTube channel, and she is doing her own version of this video as well, so I'll have her channel and her video linked below. Please be sure to go tell her I said hi. Before you watch the rest of the video, let me know in the comments which side do you think is which? Which side is the cool toned and which side is the warm toned? Let me know what you think. I'm hoping it's pretty obvious, but I guess I'm not sure. And if I haven't mentioned the idea for this video yet, I'm sorry. It's creating half warm toned, half cool toned makeup on your face. I will have all the videos like this that I can find in the description box, and if I can find the originator of the idea, I will also have that person linked below. And if you're curious to see how I got this half warm tone, half cool tone look, then please keep watching. Okay, so I have my foundation, powder, concealer, and eyebrows on, and all the other products that I apply will either be cool toned or warm toned. I think I'm going to make my left side your right side, the warm tone side, and make this side my cool tone side. For the eyes, I'm going to focus on the color purple, and I'm going to really try to play up warm purples versus cools, so let's see how that works out. For the cool tone side, I'm going to pull the Strobe Cosmetics Creepy Q palette, and I'm going to use Planchette in the crease, and for the warm side, I'm going to pull out this single from Colourpop. It's in the shade Howlin. I think when you compare them side by side, you can see that Howlin is warmer and Planchette is a little bit cooler. I hope you can see the difference already. I think Planchette is a little bit lighter than Howlin, but I think they definitely look very different on the eyes. For the cool side, I'm going to pull from the e.l.f. Modern Metals palette. I'm going to grab for this purple. I'm going to use that to kind of deepen up the outer corner. And on the warm side, I'm going to pull for 143 from Colourpop. For the lid, I'm going to pull this shade here, Daydreamer from Geek, and this is going to be for the cool side. And for the warm side, I'm going to pull Hot Pants from Geek as well. And for the lower lash line, I'm just going to go in with Howlin from Colourpop on the warm side and Planchette on the cool side. On the cool side, I'm going to use Metal from Anastasia Beverly Hills. I'm going to put that in the inner corner. And on the warm side, I'm going to use Phantom from Geek on the inner corner. I'm going to do eyeliner and mascara off camera, and I'll be right back. Now for base products. For my cool toned bronzer, I'm going to use the Charlotte Tilbury Filmstar Bronze and Glow, the bronzer side. This is the shade light to medium. And on the other side of that brush, I'm going to use the Marc Jacobs Omega bronzer for, oh no, I used the wrong side. I used the cool tone bronzer on my warm side. I'll just use it all over. Oops. Now for blush, on the warm side, I'm going to use this Urban Decay bronzer. It's technically a bronzer, but it's very red toned, so I'm going to use it as a warm blush. And on the cool tone side, I'm going to use Katie from Illamasqua. It's a really pretty cool toned pinky blush. Then for highlighter, I'm going to use the Becca Berlin Girl Glow highlighter on my cool tone side. And on the warm tone side, I'm going to go back to that Charlotte Tilbury Filmstar Bronze and Glow and use the highlighter. Now for lip products, I'm going to wear a nude lip, but I'm going to wear a warm nude on one side and a cooler tone nude on the other. So I'm going to use the Pillow Talk lip pencil from Charlotte Tilbury. On the warm side, I'm going to use the Sweet Cream Matte Liquid Lip Color in the shade Creme Brulee from Jordana. And then on the cool tone side, I'm going to use Stone from Dose of Colors. And they look kind of similar now, but once the Dose of Colors one dries down, it does pull a little bit cooler. Let me zoom you in a little bit. Okay, so this is my warm side, and this is my cool side. I wanted to keep them as similar as I could, just with the difference being the undertone, and I think I did a pretty decent job of that. I can't tell if you're picking up the difference between the undertones of the two nudes. They kind of look really similar in the mirror, so I'm hoping that picks up better on camera. Thanks again to Nona for doing this collab video with me. This was such a fun idea. I never even thought to do something like this, but once I actually did it, it felt like a really creative exercise to do. Be sure to go check out Nona's video and her channel. I'll have everything linked in the description box. But in the meantime, that's everything I have. Thank you so much for joining me, and I'll see you in my next video.